That's fucking fine. Holy shit!
You might get hurt by the
Behind,
storm.
behind.
Oh my god, what? You think he's seen you? He's seen you? Wait, where? What the fuck?
I'm so
He's gonna
scared.
hit
If
gonna
I,
get hit.
I don't care if I die. He's gonna get taken.
Kill him. No, kill him. He's gonna kill you.
I can't turn around that quick.
Don't move. Oh my god, you move. He's seen you. No, Rick. No. No. Oh my fucking god. No way. Oh my god.
Oh, swamping it. Oh, boys.
No fucking way, Richard.
Imagine if I messed that up, bro.
Eric,
I'm
what
gonna
did you
throw a
just do?
fucking random nade.
You already did, didn't you?
No,
Whose nade was that then?
someone else's.
Oh.
I reckon
Oh.
there's a full squad left with you guys.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, maybe not.
makes sense. How long till fingers? Oh, I don't know, we're fucked.
Oh, dude.
Just swamp it, my dudes.
I can't get to... I don't want to walk through that.
Am
Right
I
in
in the
front
zone?
of you, Eric.
I'm in the zone, I'm in the zone.
They're gonna run right in front of you, I reckon. If you just win this... That was to the left. Rick?
Yeah.
Oh no, maybe not. Front, Rick. Watch out for his mate.
Thought I had M6, yeah.
There's...